Pinaligo ko po si Kyle and Ava para ma-experience po nila yung maligo sa ulan. Ayan, para silang mga palakang nakawala. Pagkatapos ng mainit na 1 week, ito umulan na. Ang sarap maligo. How was it?
Good! Look at me, guys! Look at me, guys!
Baha na. Pag continuous ito ng buong gabi.
Did you see me? Yeah!
Wala babaha dito sa Calgary.
Please like and subscribe to our channel.
No.
So cold. I'm all wet my hair.
Okay, come here na. Go inside. Dudong!